There we go. Love that.
It's a diesel generator.
The diesel generator, Indian Palace, 24/7, 365. Even the tin plagues can't stop Indian Palace.
How good as a dad must that feel to be prepared like that, and you're just waiting for a power outage? You're just waiting for a power outage.
My favorite dad video this week is someone's like, do you have a piece of wood this big and about this long and about that wide? And it's like that one piece of wood your dad won't throw away. And the dad's like, oh, boy, why? And he's been holding it for like 12 years.
Yeah. I know exactly where it is too. It is, I mean, it's gotta be, it is so satisfying.